terribly sorry I'm late. I know I had to wait hours for the bus. I am sorry.
Oh, that's all right, Glenda.
Oh,
I'm so glad you could come along and star in my latest film.
Is this a film what you wrote?
Well, not exactly.
Oh, what's it about?
Blood.
Blood? No, I can't. No, I'm sorry. No, I can't. No, it's ridiculous.
The needle.
Please, as a friend, don't ask me. Please, as a friend. The needle. No, I'm not. No, don't let me do this. Please, don't let me do this.
You're overacting.
Not over.
Citizens of Nowhere.
This is an emergency alert for all people in the city and county of Nowhere. Our mayor's librarian, Sebastian Langston, was arrested yesterday evening at 8:37 p.m. for the crime of conspiring against both the mayor and city of Nowhere, killing our mayor's pet dog, and for breaking and entering. He has left flies around the city and hijacked the airwaves to spread the seeds of discontent. Any with information on the whereabouts of this traitorous librarian must call the mayor's office at once. Until then, do not leave your homes. An update on the situation: our suspect is now known to be armed and extremely dangerous. The perpetrator was spotted with a hammer, multiple large knives, and possibly other weapons as well. Citizens of Nowhere are urged to stay inside at all costs and to report information to the mayor's office.